What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to achieve close positioning on Photon. If you guys are new to this platform, I'll provide a link in the description. You guys can go and access it from there. Now this close positioning isn't directly available on Photon, but we can still achieve it by adjusting some of its features manually. For that, what we can do is, for example, here I've selected this coin. On the right side, we have this buy and sell options. And here we have two options, instant buy or buy dip. On buy dip, we have these three features, which includes buying according to market cap, buying according to the target line by selecting it visually. And similarly on the sell section, we have this auto sell features. We can sell our asset quickly by using these three options that I just mentioned. Also, don't forget to adjust your advanced settings, which include the slip priority fee, slippage amount, and well, that's how you can do it. That's how you can achieve close positioning on Photon. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.